Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Bob's Red Mill, and your mornings just got better with these amazing 4 different smoothie recipes using Bob's Red Mill different protein powders. The first recipe we're going to make is a kale hemp smoothie. So in a blender, we're going to add in some fresh kale leaves, followed up with some pineapple to help cut some of that bitter kale flavor, some chopped apples and pears, and of course a banana for some potassium and some delicious banana flavor, followed up with some coconut water, which is also going to help cut some of that bitter kale flavor. We're going to be using Bob's Red Mill hemp protein powder. It's got a really delicious nutty flavor loaded with fiber, and it's really going to help enhance this smoothie. Next thing we're going to do is add a little bit of ice because we want this to be a nice cold smoothie shake. So just add on the top, and we are going to puree this thing until it is completely smooth. It's going to be a very nice, beautiful green smoothie. And the next thing we want to do is just simply pour it in a glass. This recipe will make 2, so go ahead and reserve the extra or give it to a family member or a friend. The next smoothie we're going to make is a chocolate strawberry smoothie. It's incredibly easy and absolutely delicious. So the first thing we want to do is add in some fresh strawberries, followed up by an avocado. First, we're going to simply scoop it right outside of the shell and add it in there. It's going to provide a lot of delicious fats for us. The next thing we're going to do is add in some coconut milk. It goes so great with strawberries, and of course, this Bob's Red Mill chocolate protein powder. It's got some chia in there and absolutely loaded with probiotics. It's wonderful in this smoothie. Just like the last one, we're going to add in some ice to help make this a nice shake smoothie consistency. We too are going to puree this until it is nice and smooth. You won't hear any ice moving around in there. That's when you know you're good to go. This also will serve 2 people, so go ahead and pour one up in a glass and get it ready for drinking. The third smoothie is a vanilla almond smoothie. This is probably one of my favorite ones. We're going to add in some Bob's Red Mill thick cut oats. It's going to really provide a cool oat flavor into this shake. Next, some ground almond butter. This is going to add protein, and of course, it's going to add a lot of delicious almond flavor to our smoothie. We're also going to add in a banana for some potassium, and because just think of how wonderful bananas go with almond butter and vanilla. So we're using Bob's Red Mill vanilla protein powder. Just like the chocolate, it's loaded with chia and probiotics. We're going to add in some almond milk, which is also loaded with protein. This is a protein-packed smoothie. Some ice for the consistency to make it that nice shake smoothie. And what we're going to do at this point is simply pour it right into a glass. This too serves 2 people, so be sure to let someone else try this because it's absolutely fantastically loaded with flavor. The last one we're going to do is a vegetable pea smoothie. This is like a tomato juice. So load in some carrots, celery, next a beet for antioxidants, and of course some wonderfully deep red color. We're going to add in some baby spinach for our greens. The next thing, we're going to add in some Worcestershire and some horseradish. Think of this almost as a Bloody Mary, but loaded with protein and delicious fresh vegetables. We've got some tomato juice that we're going to simply pour in there. And the next thing that we want to add in is some Bob's Red Mill pea protein powder. It's very neutral in flavor and absolutely jam-packed with protein, and it goes excellent in this shake. Last but not least, some ice. Again, to give it that nice consistency, we're going to puree it up till it's completely smooth, and it is just going to be the most gorgeous deep red flavor that you'll ever see in a shake, and it is absolutely phenomenal flavor-wise. And there you go. We've got 4 amazing shakes. Super easy to make. All of them are a great way to start off your morning. Packed with protein, loaded with nutrients, and I can't stress enough at how delicious each of these are. You should definitely try these. To learn more about these protein powders and to see other recipes and ideas, be sure to visit bobsredmill.com.